YouTube, TroyStarz Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video we're gonna go look at Volvina. I haven't seen Volvina since the accident, to be honest. After the driver leave it at my parking area, that's where it was until now, and that would be about 4 months now. No, 5 months. I think it's around 5 months now since it's parked. 4 to 5 months since it's parked. So we're gonna go by Volvina at the moment. That will be the Volvo truck for those of you guys that just tuning in.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I'm going by Volvina at the moment. I'm gonna get it started. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go start Volvina. I'm gonna look around, see the condition that it's in, if anything need to get repaired, or I think I need some drive tires, that for sure, or maybe I just change all tires on there. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take a look at it. I think I'm gonna, now that the winter is about to end, we're going into spring, so I'm gonna just go take a look at the truck. I'm gonna look for a driver soon. I think I'm ready to go back out again. Like I said to you guys, I went to the drawing board. I took some time out to understand what was really going on, slow the pace down, you know what I mean, step on the brake a bit and get back to the track. So it's not like I've given up. I wasn't. I just slowed down a bit and getting back to the drawing board, like I said before. So I'm gonna drive in Macretia, go around there. So just in case it do not start, I can use Macretia to start it up. You know what I mean? So nevertheless, guys, thanks for tuning in. You guys are here, so you will see what the procedure is like. Anyway, guys, respect and thanks for tuning in. TroyStarz Trucking. I'm in Macretia and I'm gonna start up. I'm gonna go by Volvina, like I said before. And I think I told you guys about this long start issue that I have, but now that outside is not cold, warm, normally it would start up like right away, or just a little extra, maybe 2 or so crank to get it over. But I know it would normally start quicker than this, right? But nevertheless, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start up. I'm gonna see if it take a while to start or not, right? And then we're gonna go by the truck and see what's going on there. And after I'm finished with the truck, we're gonna go by the mechanic there in Brampton. We're gonna go by the mechanic. I'm gonna go in there and ask a bunch of questions. What the reason behind this? Basically, it's just that sometimes when you see stuff like rebuilding or fixing, you just want to have a knowledge or an idea of prices and how things are going, and what just questions, you know what I mean? TroyStarz, just stay tuned. You gotta understand what I'm saying. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. TroyStarz, let's start check and see. Okay, so start one kick. So I'm not sure what is the long start issue, you know what I mean? So I'm not sure, but anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I shall try to get it checked out and then have you guys take a look. I wonder if the little stuff that I do fix the problem. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I've done and keep you guys posted on what's going on. But nevertheless, you know what my channel is about: finding the problem, solve it, so that it make your life easier, right? And more. Thank you, TroyStarz Trucking. Okay, so I'm here at the parking lot where Volvina is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to start up Volvina. In the yard, there's a fairly lot of trucks parked in here. Yeah, fairly a lot of trucks parking here. So I'm gonna look around Volvina, see what's new, what you know, maybe what I don't know about or whatnot. The last time when I did the video and I was telling you guys about the deer accident, someone had mentioned why you didn't put on the deer thing on the truck. That would be the whistle, but they're on there. I always put them on, right? So now that I'm here looking at the truck for the first time since, I can see where like one side of the bumper is kind of lean, you know what I mean? Like compared to this side, compared to that side, one side is kind of lean, so I need to take it back to that the guy that fixed the bumper to have him correct that, because I mean it's I'm seeing it. So yes guys, I'm looking around Volvina, see what's going on. This is what Volvina looks like. Okay, so Volvina is back, and yeah, so let's just go inside the engine, check the oil, look if there is any new thing on the engine, look inside the truck, see what's going on. Yeah, TroyStarz Trucking. Yeah, so I'm here looking at the Volvina, and you know, sometimes you have to give credit where credit is due, right? So the driver, he didn't leave the truck in a like a in terms of cleaning wise, or he kept the truck. It wasn't bad, you know what I mean? Inside was fairly clean. Yeah, about the inside basically. Inside was fairly clean. And the next thing that he had done, it was turning off the battery terminal so the battery don't run down, which I don't know if the truck is gonna start, but I know when I came here, and this is like I said, this truck was parked for a long time. It was parked for over almost 5 months, I think, or 5 months if not. All right, and I turned the switch on for the key for the power, and I hear a noise in there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to start it. Let me see if it's gonna start. So this is how inside of the truck is. Yeah, so like I said, it's not a major thing, but inside the truck is clean. I can't say that much. Okay, so let's give the truck a start to see if it's gonna start. Well, first I have to turn on the kill switch first. Okay guys, so that was one kick and it started up right away. That one was a pretty good one. I didn't need to jump start. I didn't need to do anything. My star fans and my star friends and all the stars that is here. Okay, this is it. So I start Volvina. Start up Volvina, one kick, one go. Like I said, the driver did turn off the kill switch, so the batteries didn't run down. So I didn't have to come and, you know, connect the truck up or whatnot. So the battery was, you know, very good. There's some cat battery in there. Well, like I said, the winter is almost on the brink, so we're in the spring, going to into summer, and like I said, I start the Volvina for the first time. Now, when I start the truck, like I said, good, everything okay, running, but I start hearing some heavy wind, breeze here coming from the engine. So Volvina had this surge a good while now, this up and down when it just start up and haven't warm. As soon as it run for a bit, then it stop. But it have this surge that is, it go up and come down. What I mean by that is the engine going up, coming down, like throttle go down and then go back up again, and I don't know what it is. But it's been like this for a while. When it just start up, that's it. That's how I notice it. And you know, wasn't any major whatever, because like I said, I've been running it with that going up and coming down thingy. Now, what I want to talk about was where that heavy breeze thing is coming from. Also, the mechanic, the guys that work on the truck, missed a bolt from the, I don't know what that part is called, but I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully you guys know what it is, but he missed a bolt from there. That would be the mechanics that work on the truck after the accident. They missed a screw that should go in that section there. I'm going to, you know what, let me show you right now. They missed a screw. They missed this one. Like you see, screws in the rest. Yeah, so they missed a screw from there, but I'm not sure why they would want to remove that. What they fixed to actually remove that screw, that bolt, you call that bolt, yeah. So a bolt is missing from right there. So I'm gonna switch the truck on just to give you guys an idea what the heavy breeze is. I know where it's from, but I was gonna let you guys hear it first and then we check it out, right? So let me start Volvina back up. And then we're gonna listen together. So we're gonna start it and we'll just listen. Volvina is now chuckling. You're gonna hear the every wind sound whenever the engine surge. So listen. So now that you guys hear the sound that I'm trying to explain, now that you guys hear the sound that I'm trying to explain, now here is where it's coming from. So there's a seal, right there comes with a seal. There's a seal missing from there after the guys replace doing what they're doing. There's a seal that is missing. So I'm gonna purchase that steel and put it back, that seal, and put it back there. But yeah, that's what's going on. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to this TroyStarz Trucking, right? And yeah, so this is Volvina starting up, and yeah. Okay, so remember I was telling you guys about the surging of the engine when it just started up. You get this surge up and down, and then the extra breeze thing. So we identify where the extra breeze is coming from. There's a seal. I think I did a video of this already more time when those Volvo well, some of those mechanics work on your truck. Some little simple things they misplaced. They didn't put back in or whatnot. So I need to go get a seal to put. That's an easy fix, right? And no, the engine is not going up and down anymore. It's just chuckling like normal. But I mean, you can. Yeah, so it's chuckling at normal. Everything is okay so far. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up, close the truck back up, lock it down, and like I said, thank you guys for tuning in. TroyStarz. I finish off with the truck. Well, I come around to the Volvo dealer, you know, the Volvo and the Mac, same, right? I come around to the Volvo dealer, and my bill came to $173, and this is all I bought. Don't know if you guys can see this. So I bought 2 O-rings for the same hair that is flowing through the side there. I bought a clamp just in case of tightening up and it break. I just buy it anyways. So if I don't need it, I'll maybe take it back. I'm not sure. And these clamps that you're looking at, these plastic thing that you're looking at right here, is for the flaring of the side of the Volvo truck that I show you guys in the last video. I show you guys these flaring stuff in the last video, which this is to open the flaring from the side of the Mack truck, and this extension piece is missing. So what I'm gonna just install them. It's a pretty easy fix, along with a pin, and I will show you guys. I'm gonna work on it and show you guys what it's like. But anyway, guys, you know, thanks for tuning in. You know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking, and I always like to say this: you guys been here with me from what? How long now I start my YouTube? I don't know, 3 years? I'm not sure. But you're here with me all the way. You know what I mean? See, you know, the growth and everything. So I just want to say thank you. You know what I mean? That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, TroyStarz Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.